Okay guys, it's been a fucking chaotic day. When I say that, I mean like we got on our first train, everything was chilling, and then we're 25 minutes delayed, so we missed our second train. Then we ran with this random like couple, like older couple, to our next train, and then I was like, what the hell? Like, it was not even our next train. We just followed them, and then we were on it for a bit, and I was like, let's get off. And then we went to get off, and then the lady dragged us back, and then they're like, oh, don't worry, it connects to this train. And I'm like, girl, what? We got on that train and realized that the crossover was 2 minutes. Down some stairs, then up some stairs to get back on the train. And we had 2 minutes to do that, girl. We did it. Okay, first night of Switzerland, we just, oh my god, crazy. I just took off all my makeup. But we decided we're gonna have an early one, have a shower, because it's expensive as fuck. So I'll give you a little haul of what we got from the grocery store. I don't know what this is, but it said vegan on it, so I was like, slay. Then couscous. Oh, it says vegetarian, vegan, same shit, different gravy. This isn't mine, but there's like curry and another curry. And then we decided to get these because these baddies living in my head rent free. So yeah, that's basically it for the night. I'm pretty sure we're going to Lindt factory tomorrow or the next day.
This gives me southern cold.
Okay guys, we're on the way to the Lindt factory right now. It's actually so much colder than I thought, so it's 6 degrees right now. We're on the train and it looks so pretty. I want to show you, but like there's too many people. Guys, I know it's only 10:30 in the morning, but I'm gonna eat hella chocolate. Look at this. Look! Oh my god, guys. It is so sexy. Stop it. I can't work out if it's real or not, but it's good. We just tried all of those chocolates, and honestly the only one I liked was the white chocolate one. I think I had about 7 spoonsfuls, so don't judge me. Guys, I didn't bring a big bag, I only brought this little baddie, so I'll show you what my puffer jacket pocket looks like right now. You're not ready for it. Girl, she is a thickie. So this is an overview of what we got from the factory for free, but it's mine and Keegan's combined, so it's only like one of each. But the oranges, caramel, cheesecake, strawberry and cream, dark chocolate, white chocolate. I forgot what this is. Maybe cookies and cream. Chocolate, double chocolate, salted caramel. Okay, this is our Zurich room tour, but we've already made the place kind of messy as hell. So here it is. So that's the shower behind there and bathroom. And then this is our room. It's a mess. We just come back from the Lindt factory. But yeah, this is our cheeky little room. And the shutters are closed at the moment. But we have TV and everything. And then in here, got a cheeky little microwave and a fridge. So there's a room tour. So basically we discovered this like little room underneath our hotel. It is next day, by the way, and they've got like little coffees and like little vending machine. I just blanked on what it was called, but thank fuck these coffees aren't like the one we had yesterday. Had like this much coffee in it and it was like $100. I'm joking, it was like $20 for 2 or like even more. Guys, we ended up deciding and we're going to the zoo. We're literally here already.
You're the thing behind the thing. Je größer die nächste. Mega.
We got hungry at the zoo, so we got an orange cake, pasta, green curry, Coke, and a bowl of chips. Okay, I didn't give you guys an update. I'm in my pajamas right now. I'm about to get changed, but we're going to Grindelwald right now. Well, not right now, but like in an hour or so. We went to the zoo yesterday and I bought myself a little hippo. And I got something else, but I can't show you because it is a present for someone. But that's my only souvenir I've gotten in Switzerland so far. Okay guys, we just cleaned up the whole hotel room and apparently it's going to be 4 to 8 degrees Celsius in Grindelwald, so I'm all like rugged up and shit. So yeah, we're going there now. Well, we're going to the train now and I'll probably speak to you on the train, but my skin's decided to break out, so just don't mind it. Why aren't you holding my hand?